Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Divine Designs by Dee Dee. If this is your first time visiting, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you are a returning guest, I really appreciate you coming back to visit little old me. Thanks for stopping in. Today I'm going to do some snowmans. Okay guys, I'm back. So now let's put this together. So what I have here, if you remember, I have 3 blocks, and this here was one of the ones that has the insert that goes in it. And this was just one of the regular wooden blocks. So we're going to put this together. So I'm going to place everything here where I want it. And then I'm going to put the mouth up here. I'm just placing everything where I'm going to glue everything. Oh, my stomach is growling. So that's that. Then I have the nose. Then I have the little beady eyes right here. So that's what I'm going with. I don't even know if I have any orange felt. Hold on a second. Okay, I found a little orange felt. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start gluing everything together. So I'm going to put a little hot glue here. And I'm going to stick my button there. A little glue there. Come on. Okay, so it looks like this. So that's that one. Got all the glue strands out the way. So now I have this ribbon here that I got from the Dollar Tree. Oh, actually I got it from Family Dollar. I don't think it came from the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure. I don't think it came from there. I'm going to get my ribbon. Go ahead on and cut some. So I'm going to glue this part to the back here. So it looks like this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to crisscross it like this, or I think I'll do it on this side like this. So let's crisscross it. So I just hid the block up underneath the hat here. So I'm going to tilt it a little bit. So I want it to lean just like that. So now I'm going to put some glue on here, which I know that's where the hat hits. Then I'm just going to put a little bit right there. So this is how he came out. I think it came out really, really cute. Tell me what you think about it. Oh, it's really, really cute. Okay, so that's the blocks. So now let's do this one here. This one here was the little containers that I had from the bouillon, so I decided to use. And what I did was I made the glue. I did the glue like this because I wanted to make it look like snow. Like it was, you know, kind of messed up when they made it. So I did kind of do this on purpose. So I am going to go ahead on and do this one here. So I'm going to put this one to the side, put this to the side, and let's do this one. Start about, let me see. Let me start with the eyes first. I'm going to start with the eyes. And I made this nose kind of big. I think I'm going to make it smaller. So yeah, I did have some orange felt in there. I didn't think I had any. I got so much stuff in this damn craft foam. Ain't no telling what I got in here. Here's my nose. Okay, so there's the mouth on this one. And the nose and the eyes. So now I have the black and white ribbon here. And this is a wired ribbon. So I'm going to take this ribbon and kind of have it kind of thick. Make sure it's not covering his mouth. And I'm going to tie it down right here on the side. I'm going to tie it down like that. And so I'm going to cut another piece to make a little bow. One button here. And I got one here. I thought I had 3. Okay, here's the other one. And then I got one here. Okay, here's my bow. So that's the way that looks. And then that's the way the front looks. So now I'm going to put the hat on this one. And I don't think I'm going to lean this one here. I think I'm just going to put it on to the front. More like to the front than anything. Oh, that's cute. And so this is the way this one came out. I got this one here. And then I got this one here. Comment down below which one you like the best. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Share my videos. And make sure that you have your notification bell on so the next time I do a video, you will be notified. Thanks for watching. Have a good night. I forgot to show y'all that I did put hands on here. So I just took some, I had some of these pine cones. And they had like little stems on them. So all I did was just take the pine cone stems. I cut them off. I put 3 together like this. And I just twisted one over it. And that's what made the little hand part stick out. And then I just twisted the other one at the bottom. So that's how that came out. So I'm going to do one on this side, on this one too. Well, this one's only going to have one hand because of the way it's made. So I'm just going to give it one hand. You can't see the other one because the bow is going to be hiding it. So at least I can give this one one arm. If I can get it in there without tearing up my bow. So there's that one. So here's this one right here. So I just wanted you guys to see that I did put hands on it. So there we go.